Hey guys, I know, super random. I'm sitting here about to do my makeup. Me and baby are about to go out. It is the day before Valentine's Day, and well, he wants to go out. And we made reservations, so that's where we're gonna go. I am just doing my makeup, like I said. I'm trying to think. I thought I had like a little mirror. This is a Crayon case wipe, face wipe. I already washed my face. I'm just giving it the extra cleanse because this wipe gets everything. It gets your whole entire life out of it. So I basically got about, let's say, 25 minutes. So we gotta work pretty fast.
Okay. Oh, have you ever seen a burn victim?
First things first, let's relax, okay? Put on, this is some Vaseline Cocoa Glow. And my face has been doing so good. This is really glowing out here because she's happy. Let me put some on my hands too, because I just noticed that my hands be really rusty. This got a timer on it or something. What that means? That means 60 seconds or 60 minutes, but just stay on, okay? Okay, so now that my brows are good to go, we're about to start on this eyeshadow. Do something really simple, but super sexy. I'm gonna try to keep it. I'm just trying to do something simple so that way it won't have to just take all day. Flat through my face. It's just the eyes for me that takes the longest. I am going to be using this Morphe Jeffree Star palette. These Jeffree Star brushes are cheap. Look at that. Mind you, this is only after use 3. And they coming off. And this is a very cheap brush. This is a Ruby Kiss brush. And honey, this brush is not going anywhere. So, sissy, you're going back in the bag. You don't need to be clean. I am going to, let me put my headphones on. I need to listen to some music so I don't have to get copyrighted. Take this Jeffree Star. This is a JS6, and I'm going to take Los Angeles, which is this shade right here. I kind of touched it a little bit, but that's all good. It's gonna get beat up anyway. And I'm just gonna focus that right here on the outer corners. Actually, I started fairly light, so I'm gonna start over. This is a Crayon C512 brush. Looks like that. Hi Dude in Calabasas. Well, let's see how Hi Dude looks first. Perfect. And we only doing the outer corners. We're not going in. We're just staying outside. And this is the really quick eyeshadow look. I mean, like super quick. We want it to look like kind of mauve-y. And when I do eyeshadow, I try to just keep it as simple as possible, especially when it comes to being on time limit and I still want to look fat. Okay. I'm not dusting off any excess. I'm keeping it on here, and don't mind if I'm just like, trust me, when I get through blending all this in, I'm just trying to get this on here. It's going to look cute, okay? I feel like I ain't did my own eyeshadow in so long. Okay, so his black is like really black. This is called Fast Lane, and it's super black, so I'm just gonna take a little dab. And I'm really basically just getting in that crease. I'm not going anywhere else. I'm trying to blend those two colors together. Ooh. Let me let y'all see some. Let me bring this exposure down. I look a little too light. There we go. Cute. I'm gonna take water brush the out. Take 2 and roll with it. Me and my boyfriend has been together for about 6 months now. We've been knowing each other since 2016. No mutuals, no friends, not even the same side of the city. He lives in Chicago all his life, just like me, and we're like perfect for each other. And I'm just so excited to be celebrating Valentine's Day this year because I've never celebrated Valentine's Day. And I'm just happy to be celebrating it with somebody who loves me just as much as I love them. So next, we're gonna put on my primer. This is Coverfx. This is the mattifying primer. I mean, when I say honey, this stays on all night. I don't care how much I'm sweating, baby. This ain't going nowhere. Perfect match. I didn't mix it all the way, but that's okay. It's starting to look a little dark now. If you guys haven't checked out my full foundation routine, that will be linked below. If I'm going too fast, it's because I'm in a rush. I know my boyfriend is probably just like, take your time, take your time. I'm like, I ain't taking my time, we gotta go eat. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend it in. Ooh, sis is looking good. I had to turn the light off. Like, hold on. This is a Morphe E61 brush. It just makes my highlighter come on so good. To put on ECLIPSE. This is ECLIPSE. I for my sis, but this one is Kiss It Better. And then I'm gonna put on, this is Bombshell. Okay, so I have to do my hair really quick. Right now, she's cute. Okay, so I'm back. This is actually the headband wig. I just recently filmed a video on it. I just put 2-strand twists in it overnight, and I am currently taking it down, and it's looking really cute. Let's turn this down. It's coming out really, really cute. We actually got our reservations extended. Because most people be like, no, because of COVID, because of COVID. I hear people say COVID like that. COVID. Is it a VAD? Like, no, it's a COVID. VID, video. Like, come on now. But you know. Tomato. Casella Pacara. Aire cara, sacara picara. Let's go ahead and give this a spray. This is just water. Here is my headband that I'm going to be putting on it. I just want to make sure that my edges are completely laid. So I tried to lay them early, but that wasn't happening. This is the headband that I have. Cute. I put much in your hands.